Hey, welcome back to Fire and Water Travel. I am Darren, of course. I'm your host, and today we're going to look at these nestling packing cubes or compression packing cubes that you'll find here on Amazon. And they're actually going to give you a lot more room in your suitcase when you're traveling. And we're going to go ahead and show you how they work today. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so if you're like me, you like to travel and you're always running out of room in your suitcase, especially at the end of a cruise when you've been on the ship for more than 7 days and you've just been throwing your clothes back in your suitcase and you have no room to bring anything else back. These packing cubes are actually going to help you get more room putting them in and actually taking them out, because all you do is put your clothes back in them when you're done, and they work the same way. They compress the clothes down, giving you plenty of room in your bag. So let's go ahead. This is the nestling, like I said. Of course, you're on the link here, so you're going to know it's the nestling 6 set compression bags, and they've got several different bags, several different sizes. I'll show you here. This is your medium-sized bag. It's your larger bag for like long sleeve shirts, sweaters. This is your shoe bag, so it's got a bag for your shoes. It's got a bag for your t-shirts. And as you can tell, each one of these bags has a little picture on it of what you really should be using it for. Doesn't mean you have to, but it just gives you an idea. This one here, some underwear and stuff like that, of course, and this one here is for socks. So, like I said, it makes it really easy for you. Just give you an idea what to put in these bags. Now, I'm going to show you how they work, because actually there'll be 2 zippers on these, and one of them makes it open up just kind of like some of the newer luggage, where it makes it bigger here, so you can actually double the size of the packing cube. And then what you do is you put your clothes in, whatever you're putting in, and then we re-zip both the zippers down, and it compresses everything together. So we're going to start off with the socks. So we're going on a cruise in Europe, so it's going to be a 7-day cruise, but then we got a couple days we're spending there. So I got my socks in here. I got like 10 pair of socks in here, and I'm going to go ahead and close the top just like I would any kind of packing thing. But now we got our other zipper that's still open, and this is our compression zipper, and we're just going to go ahead and close this up. But the way I'm going to do it, you can see here under the zipper, I'm going to have my finger under there so that that material from the compression material from the pack doesn't get caught in the zipper. So that's a pro tip for you guys. As you can see, sometimes that'll stick out and that'll get in the way of the zipper, and sometimes it'll get caught and the zipper will get stuck. So there you have it. See, there's my socks. It compressed them down. Now just go ahead and stick those in the luggage. Same thing, here's my underwear pack. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to open up the top part, and I'm going to open up the compression zipper so that we have full access for the whole space that's available in here. Go ahead and put my underwears in here. Got enough for a 10-day trip. Just make sure you get everything in. Close up the top zipper. There you go. Got it closed up. And then the same thing with the compression zipper. I'm going to get my finger in there right under that zipper to keep that material out of the way of the zipper so it doesn't get caught. If I have to, I can kind of push it down. And it does have these ropes on here, the little strings on here with the plastic piece. Give you a little bit more leverage to get this closed. Because once you start getting down towards the end, It's going to get a little bit tougher to close up, but it will get there if you're careful and you get it done. So there you go, guys. You know, that's 10 pairs of underwear right there in a little bit of a packing cube. So really going to give me plenty of room in the luggage, both when I'm leaving and when I'm coming back. So I got more room for souvenirs, anything I might have bought when I'm out of town. I'm one that'll go out and buy a bunch of different t-shirts and hats and stuff like that. So check these out, guys. Like I said, this one does come with a bag for shoes. It doesn't really compress, but it does have a bag for shoes, so your shoe, any of the dirt from your shoes don't get on your clothes in there. But this one's a pretty good one. It's got all these different bags for different types of clothes. Check it out. It's a real good deal. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. There you have it, guys. My shoes, all my clothes, and I still got plenty of room, and even more, because this will actually come out if I wanted to. If I had to put more stuff in. My socks over here, so I got plenty of room to bring stuff back from my trip. So check them out. A lot easier to keep everything organized in your luggage. Check them out below.